Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Midjourney parameters in 2026. So if you want more control over your AI-generated images, parameters can help you customize things like image shape, quality, style, and much more. First, sign in to your Midjourney account and open the image generation area where you normally enter prompts. Next, write your image prompt as you normally would. This should describe the subject, style, background, lighting, and any other details you want the AI to include. As you gain experience, try combining multiple parameters within the same prompt. This can help you achieve more precise creative control over the final image. Keep track of parameter combinations that produce good results. Saving successful prompt templates can make future image generation faster and more consistent. Finally, continue testing different settings and prompt styles to build a better understanding of how Midjourney parameters influence image creation. And that's it. That's how to use Midjourney parameters in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.